Diabetic special juice. Diabetes, often referred to by doctors as diabetes mellitus, describes a group of metabolic diseases in which the person has high blood glucose either because insulin production is inadequate or because the body's cells do not respond properly to insulin, or both. Patients with high blood sugar will typically experience polyuria. They will become increasingly thirsty and hungry. A healthy diet is important in managing your diabetes, and vegetables are essential in a balanced diabetes diet. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, but low in calories and carbohydrates, vegetables make an excellent diabetes-friendly menu option. Juicing vegetables is an acceptable alternative to eating them whole. Non-starchy vegetables have a low glycemic index and contain very few carbohydrates. This means they will not cause a sudden spike in your blood glucose. Non-starchy vegetables help promote healthy and stable blood glucose levels. Here is a vegetable juice to reduce blood sugar levels. Vegetable juice, diabetes special. For this we need pumpkin, lauki, kira, tomato, carrot, beetroot, curry leaves and lemon. Pumpkin. It is very high vitamin C content. We can easily answer yes to the question, is pumpkin good for diabetes? The pumpkin seeds are rich in iron and unsaturated fats. Pumpkin is a good antioxidant. It is good for diabetics. Folic acid endothelial dysfunction will occur in patients having diabetes. This will reduce the level of nitric oxide content in the body. The pumpkin is rich in folic acid, making it notable that pumpkin benefits in diabetes. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is a vegetable high on water and is a rich source of vitamin C, K, and calcium. It helps in maintaining a healthy heart and brings down bad cholesterol levels. The juice is also beneficial for diabetic patients as it stabilizes the blood sugar level and maintains blood pressure. Cucumber. Research suggests that cucumbers' phytonutrients, specific plant chemicals and nutrients that reduce disease risk and promote health, are linked to its blood sugar lowering effects. Cucumber lowers blood sugar levels. Tomatoes. The tomato can be used for diabetes management. Because of their low carbohydrate content, tomatoes can play a big role in controlling blood sugar levels. Tomatoes are a rich source of antioxidants and help restore the body's oxidative balance. Tomatoes are a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all conventional antioxidants. Carrots. Carrots are rich in nutrients such as vitamins A, B, and C, calcium, and potassium. Carrot juice blended with lemon juice is also highly beneficial as it improves circulation. Moreover, carrots are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, which are extremely good for those who have diabetes as they help keep the body strong, improve immunity, and keep other diabetes-related illness at bay. Beetroot. Though high in sugars, beetroot does not result in high glucose concentration in the blood of diabetic patients. High in proteins, fiber, and essential nutrients, beetroot has a glycemic index of 64, which is in the medium range. This avoids any sudden surge of glucose levels in the bloodstream. Beetroot is also considered effective in the reduction of homocysteine, which can lead to chronic ailments. Curry leaves. Curry leaves help lower the blood sugar levels. Curry leaves help your blood sugar levels by affecting the insulin activity of the body and reduces one's blood sugar levels. Lemon. Nutrients in lemons have notable benefits for diabetes. Soluble fiber. High fiber diets have been shown to reduce blood sugar. Soluble fiber can also help lower heart disease risk by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol and help with weight loss. Let us start the preparation. Peel all vegetables and cut into pieces. Add curry leaves, tomato, and grind well. Now filter the juice into a bowl. Add lemon juice and a bit of black salt to taste. Take this juice half an hour before breakfast. Sip this slowly. Don't drink at a time. It improves your appetite By taking this juice regularly, you can keep your blood sugar levels in control. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.